This is our 2022 factory-built RV-12 IS. It's equipped with dual Garmin 3X Touch and a Garmin Autopilot. My name is Steve, and this is my wife Gail. We call this S&G Airline. So subscribe to the channel and fly with us to exciting places. Today's flight actually is a very short hop just around the airfield. I recently had some maintenance done on the airplane, and I want to make sure that everything is okay. I don't want to come out later expecting to make a long cross country and then find out that the airplane is not ready to go. So here is today's flight path, and here it is superimposed over a VFR sectional chart. I like to start my videos with a few pictures of my home airport. So this is where I fly out of. It is the home of the front porch gang. We have rocking chairs for the local folks to come out and watch the airplanes, and even some for the little kids too. Whether you're a transient or whether you're local based here, you'll find that this airport is the friendliest place of all for all kinds of airplanes and all kinds of pilots. Now there's a second purpose for my test flight today. If you look at this snippet from a previous video, you can see it's just aggravating to see that propeller going there because, of course, in real life, you don't see the propeller spinning around. I found this filter online that fits my GoPro. It's supposed to eliminate that annoying propeller blur. It comes with two filters, a lighter one and a darker one. Today, I chose to use the darker one on the right-hand side here. So let's give it a test in this flight and evaluate this and let me know what you think. So here's the first test at engine startup. But actually, I couldn't even look at the propeller. All I could see was, I need a haircut. Man, I'm growing a mullet back there. For takeoff and climb out, we'll have higher engine RPM. So let's see if that makes a difference and it works better. So we're just going to climb out here, do a couple of quick turns, and then we will head back to the airport. On the VFR sectional, you see the landmark plants. This is what it looks like. Again, on the VFR sectional in the upper left corner, you see Carter's Lake. It's really irregularly shaped. This is what it really looks like. She seems to be running okay, so it's time to be bringing her home. Conclusions from today's flight. Number 1, the airplane is fit as a fiddle and ready to go. Next flight we take will be a cross country. Number 2, the propeller filter on the GoPro, well, it kind of worked okay. I was hoping for better. Maybe next time I'll use the lighter filter and see if I get better results. Number 3, I need a haircut. So I will get that taken care of. And then next time that you come visit us on the channel, we're going to be flying somewhere. See you then.